favorite subject, especially the Roman Empire. The idea that one civilization could leave such a powerful mark on the world, it fascinated me. There was a place in the world where the East met the West, not just on a map, but in every stone, in every street, and in every sunset. Can you imagine how many stories have passed through here? Different cultures, languages, religions, music, food, all blending under the same sun and the same moon. For thousands of years. This city has worn many names. Byzantium, Constantinople, and now Istanbul. Each name carries a layer of history, a world of its own. And if you don't believe me, come, see it with your own eyes and feel it with your own soul.